Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Homebrew on your Mac. Think of Homebrew as a powerful secondary app store for open source software. It's a favorite for developers because once it's set up, you can install almost any app with just a single command. It makes managing your software so much cleaner. First, let's get started. Open Spotlight using Command Space, type in Terminal, and hit Return. Once the terminal window is open, copy the installation command I've linked in the description below. Paste it in using Command V and press Return. Now, your Mac will ask for your password. Just type it in and hit Return. Don't worry if you don't see any characters moving on the screen. That's just a macOS security feature so no one can guess your password length. Next, the terminal will notify you that it needs to install Xcode command line tools. Just hit Return to keep things moving. This part takes a little while to download all the necessary files, so just sit tight. After the installation finishes, pay close attention to the Next Steps section. This bit is crucial. We need to add Homebrew to your path so macOS knows exactly where to find it. Since I'm running on the M4 chip, I'll copy these 3 lines of code provided right there in the window. Use Command C to copy, paste them back in with Command V, and hit Return. If you don't see any errors, you're good to go. To double check, type brew help. If you see a list of commands, the installation was a success. To show you how it works, I'll install Sublime Text by typing brew install -- cask sublime -text. Once it's done, you'll find it right there in your Applications folder in Finder. You can also run Witchbrew to see exactly where the binary is stored. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.